In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact LinkedIn customer support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're facing technical issues or just need to clarify something about your account, knowing how to reach out for help can be incredibly valuable. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to make that happen. Firstly, let's talk about the LinkedIn Help Center. This is essentially your first line of defense. It contains a wealth of resources, troubleshooting tips, and useful information designed to help you navigate common issues you might encounter while using LinkedIn's features. So, before reaching out to customer support, I recommend browsing through these resources to see if you can find the solution on your own, as this might save you some time. However, if you find yourself still needing assistance, you have a couple of options. If you're not finding what you need in the Help Center, you can submit a support case. This is where you can explain your problem in detail and a customer support representative will get back to you. Now, for those of you with a LinkedIn Premium account, there's an added benefit. As a premium member, you have access to a live chat option. This means you can click on Chat with the Help Assistant on the LinkedIn support homepage to start a conversation with a representative in real time. It's a great way to get quick assistance without having to wait for an email response. If you're using the free version of LinkedIn, don't worry. You can still reach customer support by filing a ticket, although this might take a bit longer to get a response compared to live chat options available for premium members. Before you take any of these steps, it's crucial to ensure you are signed into your LinkedIn account. This might seem obvious, but it's a necessary step, as LinkedIn needs to verify your identity before providing personalized help. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account first. Next, you'll want to access the LinkedIn support homepage. Simply type in the URL linkedin.com/help/LinkedIn solve into your search bar to get started. This page is your gateway to reaching LinkedIn support options. Once there, you'll find an option to create a support ticket. Click on that, and you'll be guided through a process to submit your query. Make sure to clearly describe your issue and provide any relevant details that might help in resolving your problem more efficiently. And there you have it. These steps will guide you through contacting LinkedIn customer support, whether you have a free or premium account. This process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to get the help you need with minimal hassle. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.